what's up? Welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Today, once again, we're going to be doing one of those K-pop artsy videos, but I honestly couldn't have passed up on this one because the Kings, BTS, has came back with their new comeback with the BE album, and this album, it hits different, with the aesthetic, the lyrics, the feelings behind each song, it just slaps. So today's DIY is honestly something I've wanted to try for a really long time, but never owned a Cricut machine or a lot of the materials that other tutorial videos used. So I decided to experiment on my own and created this BE album, Life Goes On album glass cover, and this was really easy, no printing, no mounting, literally just paint and hand painted, and didn't really require any artistic ability really. Took 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna show you all how I did this in a sec, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna be using quite a few references here. So starting off, I just went to Spotify, went to Life Goes On, and just took a screenshot. We're gonna be mainly using the bottom portion where it shows the song title and the play button and all that fun stuff that shows up on the bottom of the album. And so now we're going to just take this glass that I just removed from a childhood picture frame and go ahead and just clean it to get rid of the dust. And then now here is the trick where you don't have to use any artistic ability. Since the iPad is literally the same size of the glass, I just put it right over so I can trace over it with this white paint marker. So I just went ahead and just traced the title and everything else that goes on the bottom. I didn't include the heart and the numbers for how long the song is, but you can go ahead and do that as well. Also, whenever you see a straight line, when possible, try to use a ruler just so it makes it look extra clean. And then when I remove the glass from the iPad, that's when you see the magic happen. So pretty much no one will know that you traced it. So after the first time you trace it, honestly, it's not going to be perfect and it might be patchy in some places. So I just went ahead and traced it over with the second layer. And if you see any weird paint marks that aren't supposed to be there, you can just scrape it off really easily. And then onto the next part, what we're gonna do, I just took a picture of the album cover and then I just traced the edges to use as a template to make sure that I know where not to paint outside of. And then turning off the iPad, as you can see, the template is right on there. I should have done this part earlier, but I just went ahead and took some washi tape to make sure that the glass stays put. And then I just took a black paint marker to trace over the lyrics and the word BE. Also, I'm sorry my hair got in the way. I got a little too excited, so yeah, ignore that. Alright, so now we're going to remove the iPad and reveal the magic one more time. So as you can see in this step, there are some lines that aren't very clean, so I just went ahead and just traced over it and cleaned up any weird edges. And now all we need is the white backing on the album cover, and because this is a clear piece of glass, obviously because glass is clear, we can just paint some white on the backing. So just flip it around, and then I got some white acrylic paint to just paint over the square outline that I made earlier. And then this step, the first few layers, is not going to be completely solid. It's going to be a little opaque and streaky, so we're going to let it dry and then paint over it one more time. And I did that for the play button as well. So after finishing painting all the layers of the white background, I found that there are some edges that are kind of not very even and straight, so I just went ahead and took a ruler to scrape off any excess paint. And just like that, we are all finished. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Try it out for yourself. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye!